my god. Damn this car, bro. This car got no traction.
Left here.
I don't think I never drove a car where it has like no traction at all.
Coming up to Shibuya Crossing now. We're taking a right. Watch the oncoming traffic.
Watch the traffic. Oh, look at the drift. Oh my god. Oh, you see that drift? Chat, I know y'all seen that drift. Hold on, wait, I want to try that again. I think I know how to drift now. I think I know how to drift. I think I know how to drift now.
Just a taster, but hey,
What?
surprise. We'll be meeting up with a couple of my friends.
It's the, oh, y'all see it though. Oh,